In this video today, you're going to learn how to calibrate your Ender version 3. This way will guarantee that every time you print a 3D model, it's going to work perfect every time and never is going to fail. Let's do that right now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from mediaboxentlab, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your printer super easy, and we're going to be exactly at 0.1 millimeter. I'll show you how to do that. All right, so we are ready to begin. It's pretty simple. First thing we need to do, I'm going to put a little screen here. You guys can see the control. What we're going to do now, we're going to go into prepare. We're going to go into move. And we're gonna go into the Z, and let's bring the Z a little bit up. Okay, so the head, it goes up. Secret, you need a piece of paper from your printer. Okay, that's about 0.1 millimeter. We're gonna put it right here and right in the middle. Okay, right there. Now let's set this back to zero. All right, that's zero. That brings down. Go back, and then go by what it says auto home. Press it auto home. I'm just going to go to home right there, all the way in the left corner, all the way, let's say up, and it comes down. Now, that's perfect, stays there. Now, the next step, you're going to turn the printer off because you need to move it. All right, so you got the printer off. What are you going to do now? You have the 4 wheels. Yeah, there. You need to adjust it. Now, the secret is, now, I'm going to pull the paper out, and you need to pull a little bit of resistance. You see that? It does give you resistance. You see, it's not moving super easy. So it does give me a resistance. That's perfect. Now, if it's too loose, you get it tight a little bit. And if it's too tight, then you can pull. It will not even pull. That's wrong. Now, we're going to move this all the way to this side. We're going to repeat the process again. This one has a little less resistance, but I think I'm super okay. And now you adjust it. You go all the way in the back now. In the corner right there, and we're going to test the same thing. And this one is a little too loose, so it's a little too loose, so I'm going to tie this a little bit, a little more, and I think that's perfect. Then I bring this to the corner, right, and the corner, this one is kind of a little bit and a little too tight, but I think I'm okay. This corner will not allow me to do more than that. All right, that's why this some reason they have something with the spring. So, and then we go right in the middle, we stay there, and it does give me resistance, but I can easily pull the paper out at 0.1 millimeter, and it will guarantee every time you print, right, your model will stay there, because two things can happen. If the bed is not hot enough, right, it will not stick that as good, and if it's too much pressure into it, then eventually the head will take a part of your project, and then eventually you see your project hang out somewhere there and printing everywhere. And most of the time when your project or the item you're printing comes off the bed, is the problem of the calibration. That's it, done. This way guarantees every time you print that will be perfect. All right, what I'm going to do now, also have a cool video where I show you how the software works and how we put this all together, and we got a cool high speed version of one of the models, so you can see that how that works. I'll leave you the link for that video as well too. So I'll see you next time. Bye.